You might know Barkeeper's Friend as the superhero of cleaning products that no home should be without. Tough on grease, dirt, and even rust, this magical, inexpensive product is safe to use on your stovetop, bathroom, and even on your prized pots and pans. But if you don't have hands-on experience with this cleanser, there's a thing or two you might want to know before using BKF. If you believe in the age-old tradition of letting things sit for better results, that's one habit you'll need to break, as BKF is known for its quick results. Although this powerful cleanser is your best friend when it comes to removing unwanted stains, things can quickly turn into a nightmare if you leave it on your favorite saucepan for too long, put it on vulnerable surfaces, or mix it with other cleaning products. Leave BKF on an item for too long and you might end up in a brutal breakup with your BFF cleanser. According to Bon Appetit, this is by far the biggest mistake you can make with Barkeeper's Friend. As you read through the fine print, or do a quick Google search, you'll learn that when it comes to something as strong as BKF, a little goes a long way. And time is an important factor, so watch the clock.
We're famous. Google us.
The great thing about Barkeeper's Friend is that you'll only need a minute to see magic happen before your eyes. But don't take our word for it. You can read it right on the label or on the BKF website's list of frequently asked questions. This is vital information to keep in mind, according to Bon Appetit. Ignoring this advice is how many metal surfaces are left with discoloration and scratches. If you find that a surface isn't quite clean after the first application, don't break the 1-minute rule. First, try rinsing off the BKF and check for any potential damage. If all looks good, proceed to reapply the cleanser. Not all surfaces can bear the power of Barkeeper's Friend. Although you might want to add this cleanser to any surface that needs a good polish, you should pause before slathering it on willy-nilly. If you're unsure if your surface falls under the Do Not Use list, try to spot clean items before completely covering the area. To avoid tearful goodbyes with your pots and pans, steer clear of using BKF on any non-stick surfaces. According to the Washington Post, other forbidden surfaces include marble, granite, plastic, uncoated cast iron pans, wood, enamelware, gold, and silver. Instead, limit Barkeeper's Friend to approved surfaces. Bon Appetit claims that these include stainless steel, glass, porcelain, chrome, stovetops, instant pots, and coated cast iron cookware like Dutch ovens. All you need is BKF and some water. Adding other cleaning products to Barkeeper's Friend is a big mistake. All you need is a bit of water and some elbow grease to bring out BKF's magic and watch stains vanish. To avoid creating a possibly lethal cocktail, do not mix BKF with anything else. According to The Kitchen, adding bleach to BKF can result in toxic chlorine gas fumes that could cause breathing problems. With great power comes great responsibility, especially if you're using BKF with bare hands. If it's powerful enough to remove lime, rust, and calcium, just imagine how damaging it can be to your skin. Homesteady warns that Barkeeper's Friend's active ingredient is oxalic acid, which can cause skin and eye irritation. That's why, according to the New Jersey Department of Health, you should never use BKF without wearing latex gloves. We can almost guarantee you that this inexpensive product will change the way you clean your bathroom, kitchen, and your entire home. But the fun doesn't stop there. It's possible you'll start thinking of clever ways to use this effective cleanser in places you never even considered. It can brighten surfaces you thought would never shine again. And here's a final word of advice. Always keep a bottle or two of Barkeeper's Friend in your home, as it's more than likely you'll be reaching for it constantly. Check out one of our newest videos right here. Plus, even more mashed videos about Barkeeper's Friend are coming soon. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single one.